Hi, in this video I will share with you what is Resize. Okay, so now suppose that you are at this cell here and you want to highlight this particular voucher. Okay, so this particular voucher so is from here to here, and you just want to select this and then let Excel to highlight for you the rest, and you know the number of rows and the number of columns, which is 10 columns, and which is 11 columns, right? So right here 1 2 3 4 11 columns, 29 rows. So how do you do that is that you give to Excel's this range. Okay, the orange dot is the beginning point, so we are now at B62. From there we want to select resize the length, so it's 29 rows and 11 columns dot select. Okay, so let's look at that, right? So let's just because I'm only fixed it, so it won't be that hard, right? Just click on this. So look at that, it just selected the range. Pretty neat. So that is static. So in the next video, we want the next following series of video, we want Excel to able to select this, and then it will automatically select this list and turn it into the PDF file, right? So what I mean is like this, right? I'm selecting this and I click on this print. Now notice I select up here and then it just change it, right? It just print this area. So how to achieve that? I see you in the next video. Thank you.